This will make it easy so you don't feel hungry during the day while you are in a caloric deficit. James here. If you're trying to get your meals prepped because you want to lose weight, this is what I'm doing this week. Maybe for the next 3 weeks, I want to drop another 10 to 15 pounds. I'm not cutting from as heavy as I was before when I was 201. I'm down to 188. I did go as low as 184 over the last week and a half. I put on a few more pounds, mostly water. So here's my plan for the next couple weeks. It's going to be more or less this, what I'm going to show you here. And this will make it easy so you don't feel hungry during the day while you are in a caloric deficit, okay? I know there's guys like Durian Rider, they say eat as much as you want, if it's fruits and veggies and simple carbs. But I think if you could be in a bit of a deficit to start because you're quite overweight, you want to cut that fat, this is what I'm doing. And if you follow along with me, you should lose a heck of a lot of weight. All right, the goal is 10,000 steps a day and 1 cardio session at the gym on the elliptical for 30 minutes plus where you are sweating buckets. The difficulty needs to be at least 8 or above on the elliptical, so you're sweating hard by the time 10 minutes rolls by, okay? So what are we gonna eat? First thing I'm gonna eat in the morning is cream of rice, all right? A quarter cup of a cream of rice is 150 calories. That's gonna be my breakfast, and I'll have a coffee with that and some water. I'm gonna have my gallon of water ready to go for tomorrow. And then when I start getting hungry at work, maybe it's around 10 or 11, I'm gonna eat 14 ounces of watermelon. Like, that's a lot. That's only 128 calories. That's not bad. And then I'm gonna eat another 14 ounces of strawberries, cherries, and blueberries when I get hungry a few hours after that, okay? Maybe 3-4 hours later, another 14, 15 ounces of fruit, another 130 calories, all right? Then dinner's coming, okay? Now I'm probably getting hungry. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna have 250 grams of ground chicken. I'm gonna have 3/4 of a cup of jasmine rice. And I'm gonna have 2 cups of the greens, but I'm not gonna use the sauce that it comes with, all right? I might just use a little like Italian or something, just a low fat version, but not the stuff that came with this mix. All right, so if I'm just doing this meal here with the cream of rice, the watermelon, this mixed fruit, my dinner, and then maybe another 100 calories before bed, that's 1,200 calories for the day. Plus, I'm gonna do my cardio. I'm gonna burn 400, minimum 400 calories on the elliptical, all right? So that automatically drops me down to 800 calories, all right, from the 1,200. Then my 10,000 steps I'm gonna get at work, let's call that another 400. Now I'm at 400 calories once we've subtracted the cardio. Then you also got your basal metabolic rate, 2,500 calories. Guys, the deficit is massive. And so this is why you do this until you're at the body weight that you want to maintain. Because this isn't a lot of protein. This is only like 60 grams, 54 grams of protein in a day. It's not a lot. So once you're ready to maintain, you're gonna have to bump up the protein to your body weight in grams, all right? Because you don't wanna waste away. You don't wanna just be skinny and pinner, you can blow away in the wind, all right? You gotta have some muscle, some definition. I don't wanna lose too much muscle because I'm actually training to do a bodybuilding show, and I have hired an IFBB pro, Al Green, to coach me. He wants me on a different meal than this, but I'm doing this cut just to show you guys who follow me on YouTube how easy it is to lose weight and not actually feel like you're starving during the day because you're getting massive volume, all right? Massive volume for your meals. I'm telling you guys, it's like 14 ounces, 15 ounces, 16 ounces of fruit for your meals, all right? And then you're gonna have your decent dinner. But instead of these greens, you could substitute that for a cup and a half of peas and carrots, okay? And then before bed, maybe you wanna have another 100 calories of fruit. All right, or maybe even, you want to have some cereal or toast or something like that. But I'm aiming for 1,100 to 1,200 calories a day for the next couple weeks. Plus all that cardio, it's going to cut it back, and I will lose another 10 or 15 pounds over the next couple weeks, and then it will be bulk time, but a clean bulking muscle. And if you guys want to follow that process as well, but here it is, guys. You should try that meal. Make sure you get your gallon of water in, cream of rice, fruit, some rice, ground chicken, can be ground beef, can be ground turkey, could be chicken breast. Just make sure low fat. Then you got your salad or your peas and carrots or broccoli and cauliflower, 1 or 2 cups of that at dinner. You're hovering around 1,100 to 1,300 calories a day. You're getting your 10,000 steps in. You're getting your 30 minutes of hardcore elliptical work in. You're also working out 3 to 5 times a week. You still got to get your gym time in so you don't lose too much muscle, but you will be amazed at how fast the fat melts away. Let's get it, guys. If you need help, reach out to me, leave a comment, send me a DM on Instagram at James Gugadal, or just leave a comment on YouTube. Like, subscribe if you find this helpful. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.